Hey everyone, it's Chris here, Home Warranty Incorporated. Happy New Year, 2026, my first walk and talk of 2026. I am in Hammond, Louisiana. And if you hear a loud train go by, just bear with me because they have like trains coming through here like every 15 minutes. Quick shout out, Sweet Willow Realty in Fairhope, Alabama. I was there just yesterday and man, what a wonderful group they are down there, doing a ton of business in Fairhope. Had a great opportunity to have some good food and a quick conversation about our new product in 26 and 27. Real quick, just a real quick walk and talk. I want to answer, I've got questions that I want to catch up on, and I'm not going to waste everybody's time, but I do want to answer one of the most recent questions that I've gotten. Chris, I used another home warranty company recently, and within 2 days the AC went out and the claim was denied. Explain to me how home warranties are not a scam. Okay, wonderful question. I don't know anything about how that claim went about. I don't know anything about the company or anything like that. I'm not going to get into that. However, I do know how we handle things on our end when it comes to an immediate breakdown after somebody moves in. One of the wonderful things about what we offer is what's called undetectable pre-existing condition coverage. Okay, it's a wonderful product. It's a rider for $75. But if you want to send me a message, I can tell you how to get it for free for any warranty that you put on any property. So see, there's the hook. You got to send me a message, but I'll let you know how you get it for free. But we have this product that can eliminate those kind of concerns if the homeowner moves in and it's something that the homeowner had no idea and no way of knowing, that the home inspector maybe missed. That's what this kind of coverage is for. And like I said, I have a way that you can get it for your client for free. Hit me up, send me a message. I'll take care of you. I'll let you know how to do that. But just a quick walk and talk. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I'm here from warm Hammond, Louisiana today. Remember, I'm not perfect, but I'll make you mad the least. We'll see y'all.